Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you an automation by which you can create a form with Xero applications. So guys, Xero is an accounting and financing application by which you can manage your finances and create invoices for your customers. So here guys, before start doing anything in Xero application, you have to add the contact details of your customer inside this application. So here we have designed an automation by which you can automatically create contacts inside Xero application via a form submission. Let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here we have used Jotform application to create a form. In place of this, you can use any other form builder application like Typeform or Google Forms as well. And here, as and when your customer is going to fill this form and submit the form, the contact details of the customer is going to be added in Xero application automatically. So here you need not to manually add the details of your customers in Xero. So it will surely save your time, your energy, and it will improve your productivity as well. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So let's set up this automation together with me right now. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link with that we have pasted in the description as well, pabbly.com/connect. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here. And when you log in, you will reach this page. From here, click on this access now button of Pabbly Connect and you will reach this dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. So just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as Jotform to Xero integration. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find the trigger and the action. So automation work on these two things, guys. So the trigger is that event which is going to trigger or start the workflow, and the action is the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission received from Jotform application, and the action towards the trigger would be to create a contact inside Xero application. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger, guys. So from this choose app field, you need to search for the trigger application, which is Jotform in our case. So search for Jotform, this is it, select it. And in the trigger event, this will be the event new response. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys. And with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with Jotform, and after that we are going to capture the response of this webhook connection. Okay, so let me show you. So first of all, you can read these instructions here as well to make this connection. Let me show you exactly how we can perform this. Just copy this URL from here first, and then you have to reach your dashboard of Jotform application. So guys, this is my Jotform's dashboard, and here I have created this form named as Xero Contact, and this is the form I have created actually. Okay, right? So here guys, in the dashboard of Jotform, you have to click on this more button here, and from here you will find this settings option. Click on settings, and under the settings of the form, you will find this integrations option in the left hand side panel. Click on integrations. And here guys, you have to search for webhooks. This is it. Click on webhooks. So you can see already an integration is up and running here. So let me remove this integration first. Okay, and let's search for webhook from here. This is it. And here you will find this add webhook field, guys. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you copied from your workflow. Paste it here like this. Okay, paste it here like this, then click on complete integration button, and you can see we are getting connected. You can see the integration is ready. Okay, so click on finish here, right? And here you can see in your workflow, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the response. So now we have to capture the response of this webhook connection by doing a test submission. So the test submission would be equal to the trigger event. That means we have to collect a new response from the form. So we are going to fill the form on the behalf of any test customer, okay, and we are going to capture the data. So let's say my customer is let's say Neil Patrick is my customer, and this is the email ID of this customer, this is the phone number, and all the details related to customer I have filled here, and I am submitting this form, and you can see the form is submitted here. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission, and here you can see in the response we got the data like this. So here it is showing all the details our customer filled in the form, okay, right? Now guys, I want to create the contact in Xero application out of this data that I have received here. For that to happen, you have to connect Xero application in this action step. So search for Xero here, this is it, select it, and in the action event you have to select create a contact option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Xero. So to make the connection here, you have to have the client ID and the client secret of your Xero developers application. Okay, so first of all, you need to create an application in Xero. Then you will get this client ID and the client secret. So you can read the instructions clearly explained here by clicking on this here text. Just click here and you will reach the forum link of Pabbly Connect, where you will see all the instructions clearly written here how you can create an app inside Xero. Okay, so from here only, first of all, what you need to do, you need to click here on this link, creating a developer app here. Click on this link, okay, and you will reach the developer section of Xero. Okay, from here you can log in from your existing login credentials of Xero, okay, and you will be logged in here like this. And here you can create a new app by clicking on this new app button. Here you have to select web app, okay, for standard authorization code, okay, and here you can give any suitable name to this app that you are creating. So I'm giving the name here as from Jotform, let's say, okay. After that, click web app. Then here you have to insert the company or application URL for which you are creating this app, and the redirect URL as well. So you will find these two things from this instructions page only, okay, this forum link. Just copy the things from here. Here you can find the company or application URL. Just copy this address from here, go back to your developer account here and paste the URL like this. After this, go back and copy the redirect URL as well and paste it here in this URL section. Okay, then check this. I have read and agree to the Xero developer platform terms and conditions. Check this box, then click on create app. Alright, so you have created an app here, and here on this page you will find the app name, the company or application URL, okay, and here you will find this configuration tab on the left hand side. So click on configuration, and here you will find this client ID, okay, and we want a client ID and the client secret. So to generate a secret, just click here on this generate a secret button and you will get the client secret. So just copy both of these things. First of all, copy the client ID and paste it here like this, and then go back and copy the secret as well and paste it here like this, and then click on save, and you can see we are getting connected here. And from this page it is asking from Jotform application wants access to this organization that belongs to Xero account, okay, and this is the username of Xero account. So just click on allow access and you will be connected with your Xero account, right? So you can see the authorization successful and we are now connected. Okay, so from here you have to select the organization that you have in Xero account, select that, and now it is asking for the contact name, the account number, the person's first name, last name, and all these fields. So it is asking all these fields to create a contact inside Xero application. So guys, we are going to use this test data that we have received here in the first step, okay, and we are going to map these labels that we got here in the second step. Okay, so to map these labels, just come here on this step and here click on this contact name, and it will show you this Jotform step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only I am going to map the contact name as this, the first name, the last name, okay, account number. So if you have the account number of this person, you can enter here, okay, and here it is asking the first name again, so let me map these things. Okay, email, map the email from here, bank account number. So guys, I didn't collected these things in the test submission, so I cannot map it. If you have these things, or if you can fetch these things from the form submission, you can map these things from the same procedure as I have already told you. Okay, so here it is asking address types, select street or PO box, what according to the data that you have received, and here you can map the address from the first step only. Okay, here you can map the city details, okay, postal code if you got, you can map all these things. Okay, so you can select the phone number as mobile or another thing and map the phone number here as well. Alright, so I think I have mapped enough things to create a contact. If you have all the things, you can map all the things. Okay, now you can check your connection with Xero application by clicking on save and send test request, and you will find a new contact created inside Xero application. Let me open my Xero's dashboard. Here it is, and here we have this contact section. Let me open all contacts. Okay, so this is the contact section of Xero application, guys, and here I have 4 contacts already here. And let us check our connection. So I'm going back to the workflow and I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new contact getting added inside Xero application. So here it is showing this kind of response. Let's check in Xero. I'm refreshing my contact section. And here you can see a new contact got added here as Neil Patrick, and here you can find all the details related to this person, and the details are the same which we have mapped. You can see Neil Patrick is the name, this is the phone number, this is the email ID, this is the postal address, and these are the same things that we have mapped here inside the workflow. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation. And here guys, you can see I connected Jotform in the trigger and fetched the test response like this. After that, in the action step, I connected Xero to create a contact. Okay, so now if as and when any customer of yours is going to fill your form and submit your form, a contact will be created here automatically. So you have to set up this automation like this only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, it is going to run automatically. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.